यंग शाहिद कपूर कैसे थे?
Young Shahid Kapoor, अच्छे थे. He was, I think, very focused again. Like he would come and we would sit and do dialogues and like practice the scene and all. It was that energy of I know I'm going to do it, like, and I think he also knew somewhere he's going to be big. Like he'll do his best. I also knew somewhere कि मैं इसी के लिए बनी हूँ, and we gave that energy. Like हम इसी के लिए बने हैं. So, oh, and before Ishq Vishk, मैं शाहिद से एक audition में मिली थी. Yeah, I've never spoken about this. It was something done very यहाँ पे वर्सोवा में बीच में on those stones. We did a photo shoot together for some film. And it was such a I mean वो भी अपना teeny boppy थे. I was also like a teeny boppy and what were we thinking that हम film में काम करेंगे, I don't know. But वो photo shoot हुआ, वो film नहीं बनी. So when I met Shahid for Ishq Vishk, I already knew him, you know. It was not like मैं first time मिल रही हूँ. So yeah.
आपकी जिंदगी इश्क विश्क के बाद ज्यादा बदली या मैं हूं ना के बाद?
Of course मैं हूं ना के बाद. I think it was all together, like it back to back हुआ मेरे साथ. So, but मैं हूं ना got me that कि oh, she's working with the superstars of the industry, you know, the biggies. Like Ken was a big name, but in the music world, Farah Khan was Farah Khan, you know, so Shah Rukh Khan. So that gave me a very different place in the film industry.
People changed the way they treated you?
Yeah. But you know, I think for me, बहुत इतना जल्दी हुआ ना that I didn't go through a struggle. Like my struggle was not standing in the audition queue and not getting it right. वो struggles मेरे नहीं थे.
How did you handle male attention that you got after मैं हूं ना और इश्क विश्क?
So, if you talk about male attention, मतलब मुझे ऐसा कोई कुछ ऐसा लगा नहीं कि बहुत कुछ attention मिल रहा है या ऐसा कुछ. But the time that I felt something different was जब विवाह रिलीज हुई थी.
लोगों को आपसे शादी करनी थी.
Oh geez, you know something, Ranveer? मुझे बाकायदा NRI proposals आते थे.
Wow.
Like with family photos and standing with their car and कुत्ता and all of that कि मुझसे शादी कर लो. और एक या दो नहीं बट प्रपोजल्स आते थे एंड आई यूज्ड टू लाफ, यू नो, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम योर माइंडसेट इज लाइक फार अवे फ्रॉम मैरिज. तो मैं हंसती थी कि क्या ये लोग हैं. बट अभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि क्या इम्पैक्ट रहा होगा उस फिल्म का कि पीपल एक्चुअली सेंट मी मैरिज प्रपोजल एंड दीज वर नॉट लाइक you know, stars or something. They were random people, random NRIs who thought.
हाँ क्यों नहीं बोला किसी को?
हाँ बोलती तो मैं यहाँ थोड़ी बैठती.
But you ever thought of just saying yes? Or just going meetings?
Never.
क्योंकि तब Instagram तो होता नहीं था.
हाँ.
तो how did people slip into the DMs?
Letters. मुझे
Letters?
बहुत yeah, they used to write letters.
खून के पथ.
हाँ मुझे एक आया है.
वाह.
Yeah, I thought that was very like
Scary.
And this guy used to stand outside in a telephone booth outside my house and, you know, call every morning and my like mom would pick up or dad would pick up and
जल दो मुझे.
नहीं, I was shooting for Vivad that
Oh,
time.
okay,
वो तो मैं हूं ना और इश्क विश्क देखी. Yeah, so ऐसे हुआ है.
अब ये है पॉडकास्ट का असली अंत. So nice.
But no one has taken me through like this, huh? Like honestly, Anmol always tells me that you never watch any of your films with me. Like that's his biggest complaint because उसने सोचा अरे मैं हूं ना के एक्टर से शादी कर रहा हूँ, विवाह के एक्टर, हम बैठ के पिक्चरें देखेंगे, विवाह देखेंगे साथ में. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है और कभी होगा भी नहीं because you know what? I don't watch my films once they're done.
Staying in the moment.
Yeah.
Right?
I have not watched Ishq Vishk after I last saw it in the cinema hall with the audience. I've not watched the film on TV. I've not seen Main Hoon Na.
Yeah. There's a quote I live by. It's a very simple 3-word quote.
Okay.
Okay? But it's given me more peace than any other quote that I've ever read. The quote is, past is fiction.
Yeah.
Just forget about the positives and negatives. Doesn't matter.
Past is a dream.
Yeah. That's it.
खत्म हो गई, भूल गए, याद भी नहीं है अभी क्या है.
Yeah. It's just about the now.
Yeah.
You don't have to think of anything else. And I think it's the most important life skill that they should teach people in school. That's why you need to start meditating early, you know?
Yes. 100%.
Yeah.